The death of Robert Brooks from New York, who was beaten by prison guards, has been ruled a homicide in an autopsy report, lawyers say. Albany, N. Y. The death of a handcuffed man who was beaten by New York prison guards was ruled a homicide in an autopsy report, lawyers for his family said on Wednesday. The report issued by the county medical examiner's office last week concludes that the cause of Robert Brooks' death in December was neck compression and multiple blunt force injuries. The manner of death was determined to be homicide, according to the attorneys. Body camera footage shows corrections officers assaulting Brooks for about 10 minutes while he was handcuffed on an examination table at Marcy Correctional Facility on deck 9. One officer uses a shoe to strike Brooks in the stomach, while another lifts him by the neck and drops him back onto the table. Brooks was pronounced dead the following morning.
I think this rules out any argument that there was some other cause of death besides what we saw in the video,
said family attorney Stephen Schwartz about the autopsy report. New York's Attorney General appointed Onondaga County District Attorney William Fitzpatrick as a special prosecutor last month to investigate Brooks' death. A grand jury is expected to hear evidence in the case. More than a dozen correctional officers and 2 nurses have been suspended without pay. 1 officer resigned. Brooks' son, Robert L. Brooks Jr., has filed a lawsuit against those involved in the attack, as well as against the head of the upstate facility at the time and the commissioner of the State Department of Corrections and Community Supervision.